It's hard to describe Ken because there's so many different aspects of Ken. He's a very interesting man, and I am never bored after 52 years with him, and we have a lot of fun.
He is exactly who he appears to be. This humble, kind, outgoing, generous, loving man who seems to embrace life along with Wendy, and when you're with him, you're just in a good mood.
He is somebody who is giving of his time, his spirit, and needless to say, financially. He's a fantastic father and grandfather, and he is so proud of his granddaughter.
Ken was born in Cleveland, came out here as a younger person, got in the construction business, was immensely successful, but doing it his way, without big presence, without big ego. He's so well respected, supports so many different organizations. If he thinks it's important, he will act. He'll support it financially, he'll advocate for it. And if Ken says he'll do something, you don't have to call him back. He'll do it.
His loyalty is unending. His generosity of spirit is unending. His love is unending. His trust is unending.
Oh, I've learned so much from him. I can now change a light bulb, right, Ken? He always says I can't change a light bulb. Ken can fix anything and everything, and I have learned a lot from him. I'm actually quite handy now, but he is the handiest.
I think it's important to support ELNET because Europe is a whole new world for the support of Israel. Well, the European Union and the United Nations have not been particularly supportive of Israel over the years. ELNET is, I think, making progress in changing that.
Ken has added a lot to our organization, particularly on the West Coast. In addition to being well regarded, he's brought people into the organization who we wouldn't have otherwise. He serves on the ELNET board as our vice chairman and treasurer. It was Ken's idea to have a gala and do it at the Skirball, and the success is growing every year.
Kenny just loves Israel, and he loves his heritage, and he's really proud of it. And Ken is amazing in his support for the Jewish people, for Jewish education, and for Israel.
Israel is where all the Jews originally came from, number one. And number two, it's where for many centuries we wanted to go back to. We're finally back, but struggling because of the countries and people around us that don't want us there. So I think it's really important to support Israel and keep it there as our homeland.
Those who built the biblical tabernacle, we are told, came to build it with willing hearts and willing hands. And Ken Ruby, you bring your willing heart and willing hands to anything that you devote yourself to doing. ELNET is so fortunate to have you in their midst.
I think the thing many of us can learn from someone like Ken Ruby is that we can do many things. We can be very involved in a business and yet have time for family and have time for community involvement. Ken says, "Acharai, follow me," and people do.
As a man, I can say Ken is the kind of human being that I aspire to be, a kind, adventurous, and generous person with a heart of gold.
He's just very well respected because he's a good man, and you can count on him, and that's why everybody loves him.
It was imbued into me by my parents that you should give back. I'm just doing my little bit for Tikkun Olam.